What's going on, guys? Today's gonna be an amazing video. I hope you guys do enjoy it. As you guys already saw by the title and thumbnail, we are taking over Old Time Mountain Truck Trail. So as of right now, we are fueling up. You know, we had almost a full tank, but better safe than sorry. We got some snacks. Don't know how long we're gonna be out there for, but it should be fun. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Have an amazing day. he has 100 grand into that, bro. 100 grand. Alrighty guys, I had to go ahead and take off. I had to leave the group behind. Unfortunately, I've had plans before this, but I'm super happy that we got a chance to come and explore. As you can see, I am testing out the light bar and the light pods. They work amazingly even when it's still pretty bright outside. As you guys can see, there's an amazing view. Always worth it. Every time I come, it just looks amazing. Right now it's very, very green, and well, I mean, you guys can tell it looks beautiful. Look at this, guys. You can't see anything. You can see that the trail keeps going, but you can't see it. Look, that's as far as you can see. If you look closely, you can see that the light bar is cutting through all of that. So I'm able to see a little bit more. So are the light pods. Look at this, guys. Before you could see all the green, now you can't. It's all fog. You can see maybe about 50, 60 feet that way. No more than that. But that's it. Besides this, it's a white canvas, or I don't know what you call it. Fog. But look at this, guys. You can see the lights cutting through all of that. Look how beautiful this truck looks, guys. Come on. You gotta take a second to appreciate this. Like, looks beast. I love it. Alrighty guys, so in case you guys don't know, when you exit Old Time Mountain Truck Trail, if you go across the street to the RV park, you do have an air hose right here that you can use to go ahead and inflate your tires if you did go ahead and air down. You know, we got the rock lights going on right here just to help us a little bit, just to air up.